I'm going to give a real quick turning demonstration here. I'm going to turn one of the pivot stretchers and show you how I go through this. All of the elements that are present in this part are pretty much present in the rest of the parts for the table. So if you watch and learn how to turn this part, you should have no problem with the rest. And that's about all there is to it. You can see the surfaces are nice and clean. Just need to speed the lathe up a little bit, do some sanding, and it's ready for tenon. So get out there in your shop and get to churning.